Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. This product retails for $22. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the second lip product that Glow Recipe has released, but it is a little bit more of a hydrating lip product from what I've seen their other one to be advertised. I haven't tried their previous lip balm, but I do love Glow Recipe products, and so I'm beyond excited to try out this product. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlight ingredients in this product include hyaluronic acid, cockadoo plum blend, and raspberry extract. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. This product seems to have some very unique and promising ingredients in it, and so I'm excited to try it. The big thing that I'll be looking for with this product is just to see how it performs and what I notice with this product. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I just started using this product today and I just got out of the shower, and after using it this morning, my lips are still hydrated. It is definitely a long-lasting hydration from what I've seen so far, and you get a lot of this product. It just takes a tiny amount to go on your lips. I do wish it came in better packaging, but I mean, that's just a pet peeve. Now, I feel like this product, as you can see, is a very sheer, very lightweight lip balm. I feel like it's one of the most subtle lip balms that I've tried, especially for the level of hydration that I get with it. It also smells like candy. It smells so good, but it is a fairly subtle smell as well. It's nothing that stays too long. This product has been working great for me. I'm going to continue using it and just seeing what results I notice with it and what level of hydration it delivers. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really love this lip product. I feel like that it is one of the best lip products that I've tried because it did so good at being both lightweight but yet extremely nourishing for the lips. And something I feel like that was a little bit more unique to this product is that it was a fairly sheer product. It kind of just blended in with the natural tint of my lips, and it didn't make it look too overly glossy like some lip balms can do. Performance aside though, this product had an amazing smell to it, and I really loved that it smelled like candy. It really made me want to use it even more. I do love this product. It is very comparable to the Pharmacy Apple Peptide Lip Treatment, but I felt like this product was a little bit more sheer. That product definitely served its purpose. It was a little bit more plumping. This I felt to be more of a hydrating lip product, and I felt it to be a plumping product. It delivered some great long-lasting hydration that was there even after it absorbed into the lips, and I just really enjoyed my experience with it. I'm wearing the product right now, and from what I can see, I can barely notice it. It's just a very subtle shine to the lips, and so if you are looking for a fairly sheer but yet very hydrating lip balm, I feel like this product would be great for you. I also feel like this would be a great primer for lipstick or lip products, or you can put it on top of lip products to create a nice glossy look. It is very subtle though, and so if you are looking for that, I feel like this product would be great for you. I feel like it will last a long time. I only had to reapply it once throughout the day. Other than that, I just applied it once at night and once during the day, and it was perfect for me. I feel like this product was long lasting, and that's what I really enjoyed about it. So I would 100% recommend trying out this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.